Welcome back, viewers. In today's video, we are going to check out the Deepin Desktop that was installed in the last video using the Opensuse Desktop patterns. So we are checking out whether the Opensuse Desktop patterns are working in the Gecko Linux or not. So this is the login screen of Gecko Linux after the Deepin pattern was installed. So now the Deepin session is available, so we will log in straight into the Deepin session. Input our password. There is some issue. Let me check. There is some issue. It is not accepting the password. So what to do? No. I think the Deepin Desktop is not working. So we tried and experimented, but the Deepin Desktop does not work. So we cannot install any desktop using the Opensuse patterns. So there are patterns for installation of desktop in Opensuse. So you have to open the Yast software manager, select the desktop you want to install by selecting the desktop pattern. Once you select the desktop pattern, you have to install that desktop pattern, and that it will install all the desktop dependencies and the desktop packages, and you will realize the desktop as per the configuration done by the Opensuse developer. So we tried to do the installation of Deepin desktop patterns in Yast software manager of Gecko Linux, but after the installation we could not log in into the Deepin desktop of Gecko Linux. So we will end the video here. So this is an experiment. Some experiments fail, most of the experiments are successful, so it is a learning experience. So most probably the desktop patterns in the Yast software manager don't work in Gecko Linux, though they work perfectly in Opensuse. So there are maybe some configuration differences between Gecko Linux, which is based on Opensuse, and the Opensuse itself. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.